Welcome back. So in this video, we will look at another front-end interview problem. So this problem states that we will be given a certain object or a certain array, and in that object or an array, we need to convert all the keys to its equivalent camel case. So if a key is given in snake case, like here, it should get converted into camel case, like here. So it will be a pretty straightforward problem. Let's try to solve this thing. So first and foremost, we will create a new object result equal to an empty object, and we will just return a result. Now we'll loop over the object.keys. First, we'll just check if it is like a real object, if a type of object is equal to object, and the object is not null. Then we need to loop over the object.keys, object.forEach key equal to, and now we need to perform certain operations. So we'll create a new key from the existing key. Remember that this key can be in snake case like this. So what we'll do is we will split the key from its snake case delimiter, that is underscore. So key dot split with underscore. So this is one operation. And now what we will do is we will loop over the array like this splits the string into an array with delimiter as this. So it will be converted into total as first item and questions as second item in the array. So what we'll do is we will map over the items, and we need to uh, convert the first character of all the string items except the first item into uppercase. So all the items in the array except the first item, we need to convert the first character into uppercase. So map string equal to string index. Now, if index is greater than 0, we need to convert the first character into uppercase. So string 0 dot to uppercase. I'll do string dot car at 0 to 2 uppercase plus string dot slice 1, else I'll just return string. So what this will do is this will convert the first character to uppercase, and then it will copy the rest of the characters as this. And if the index is 0, we'll just return the string. And after this, what we'll do is we will join the string back. We'll join the array back into a string. So this will give us a new key. And then what we'll do is we will do result new key equal to, we need to run this thing again here. Result new key equal to camelCase keys object. So why we are doing this is it can be nested object like this. So if we converted this key into its equivalent camel case, but we need to perform the same camel case keys operation on this nested object as well in case there is a nested object. If there is not a nested object, we'll just return the result as is. So let's try to run this and see if it works. Node index.js. So we can see there is an error. Candidate properties are undefined. Let's just do this thing. String 0 clear node index.js. Okay, so it's saying split underscore maximum call stack size exceeded. Right. So what we need to do is it is going into a recursion, but it is not able to come out. So we will just do return object. Here, let's see if it works. It doesn't. Yeah, so there were a couple of issues here. One issue was that we need to return the result here. So we were not returning result here. So we need to return the result in case a type is object and object is not null. We create a result object and then we return the result here. Else, if it is not the case, we just return the object as is. Like if the object is not an object, if it is actually a string, if we pass here actually just a string and not an object, then we just return the object here. And second thing is we need to pass an object key. We need not pass the entire object. We just need to pass the object key. That means this thing here. We need not pass the entire thing. We just need to pass the nested thing here. So we just need to pass object key. So yep. Let's see if it works or if it gives error. So it works as expected. So this was a pretty basic example of converting snake case keys to camel case keys. As to give a brief, we first check whether this is a valid argument to pass over. That means whether it is actually an object to pass over. Then we create a resultant object. We loop over the existing object keys, and the main logic lies here. We are just converting snake case keys to camel case keys, and then we assign the new key to its camel case counterpart, and then we loop over this thing again if it is a nested object. So this was it, and I'll see you in next one.